The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is a dynamic electric SUV that redefines value and innovation in the fast-evolving EV market. Combining a bold, futuristic design with advanced technology, the Atto 3 captures attention from the moment you see it. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic profile reflect a forward-thinking approach to design, while its distinctive LED lighting and sporty alloy wheels add a modern flair that ensures it stands out on the road. The bold front fascia is complemented by a streamlined silhouette that not only looks stylish, but enhances the car's aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to its impressive electric range. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that blends contemporary design with a focus on practicality and comfort. The cabin features soft-touch materials, a spacious layout, and clever storage solutions, offering a luxurious feel without compromising on functionality. The panoramic sunroof and customizable ambient lighting elevate the driving experience, creating a welcoming and high-tech environment. Under the hood, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 offers performance that rivals many of its competitors in the electric SUV space. Powered by BYD's cutting-edge Blade battery technology, this SUV boasts a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, making it a practical choice for both city commuting and longer road trips. The electric motor delivers 201 horsepower, providing smooth, instantaneous acceleration, while the Atto 3's advanced regenerative braking system maximizes energy efficiency during every drive. Its dual-motor setup in some variants ensures all-wheel drive capability, offering enhanced traction and control on various road conditions. The handling is responsive and precise, thanks to the car's low center of gravity and carefully tuned suspension, delivering a balanced and composed ride even around sharp corners or rough terrain. Technology in the Atto 3 is where it truly shines. The 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen is a centerpiece of the dashboard, offering access to a suite of intelligent features, including navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The infotainment system is compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless connectivity with your devices. Safety is a top priority, with BYD equipping the Atto 3 with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the Atto 3 is one of the few vehicles in its class to offer vehicle-to-load (V2LL) technology, allowing you to power external devices directly from the car's battery, making it perfect for camping trips or power outages. From its eco-friendly credentials to its high-tech features and striking design, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is more than just an electric SUV. It's a symbol of what the future of driving looks like.